Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to add a device in Netflix. So to add a device, it's very easy. You have just to log in with your Netflix account in that device, and like that, this device will be added. And to know the actual devices that are using your account, you have to go to account, and after that scroll down a little bit until you find access and devices, and from here you will find all the devices that have access to your account, and of course you can sign out any device from them that you don't want it to use your Netflix account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.